my name is Meru, and in this video we will learn something how to do about our abdominal fats, how to reduce them. This is actually the second part of the video. So first, please check out the first part. And in this video in particular, we will do few asanas which improve elimination and digestion. And also because in all these asanas we will be lying on the floor and there will be certain pressure on the abdominal wall, it will remove fats from there. So let's lie down on the floor. We will do Bhujangasana. So you're lying on your abdomen, your shoulders are relaxed, your palms are next to your chest. Ankles together, toes together, head will be on your forehead. And while inhaling, inhale slowly. Brush your nose, then your chin, and then slowly start coming up. Use your spine at the beginning. Once when you reach your maximum, without using your palms, just using the spine, then press the palms gently. Lift yourself a little up, but make sure that you are on your navel. Don't go too much up. Stay on your navel. Shoulders down the back, feet together. Relax your face and breathe and stay. And exhaling slowly, vertebra after vertebra. And first, touch your chin, your nose, and then your forehead. Ideally, you should do, let's say, 3 rounds, staying 10 breaths in the posture. If that's too difficult at the beginning, stay with lesser and slowly improve. But important thing is to stay longer because that pressure helps you to remove the fats, and also, as I said, it improves your digestion and your elimination. So one more little different with same effect. So stretch out your arms, keep your legs slightly apart and your head on your chin. Relax your shoulders and inhaling, arms up, legs up, slowly, consciously, stay on your navel, relax your shoulders, and again, let's say 10 breaths. Okay, 10, and exhale slowly, consciously down, and relax yourself. Get your elbows, big toes together, few deep breaths, feel your abdomen, feel your lower back. And again, ideally 3 rounds of 10 breaths each, but try how it goes. So the next one is actually Kriya. It's called Agnisar Kriya, and it helps again with your digestion, and also it removes whatever you don't need in this area. So for the next one, sit with your knees slightly apart, heels apart, big toes touching each other. Relax your back, relax your shoulders. And now what will happen next? I will exhale. And after that exhale, I will pull my abdomen in and then I will relax it. So in and out, without keeping any breath out. So important thing is you need to exhale really properly and then start doing that movement. So inhale, exhale properly. And inhale, relax. So this was one breath. At the beginning, it can take some time to reach that, but keep trying. So important thing is really exhale properly, then start doing. When you feel tired, you don't have enough oxygen, again, inhale. Let's say 5 rounds at the beginning and slowly start to increase. One last thing is that usually excess of fat is connected with bad diet, lack of exercise, and also with some kind of emotional troubles, that you don't want to let go of things, that you keep them with you, so you keep those fats to protect you from the surrounding world. So try to improve your diet, improve your exercise, and also try to let go of things that will help. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please hit the like button.